Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show guys my Rubik's Cube that takes like way too much moves. It's my 5x5. And guys, whenever I solve this Rubik's Cube with an app, it takes like 226 moves. Are you kidding me? That takes a lot of time. Like, it might take me like 20 minutes to solve this Rubik's Cube with an app. Are you kidding me? This is way too long. And guys, I cannot solve this because when I solved this for the first time, I was like, wait, what the? So guys, I don't think I will ever scramble those. I don't think I will ever scramble my Rubik's Professor, the 5x5, ever again, because it takes like 226 moves, and it would have took me 10 or 20 minutes. That's way. That would be exhausting. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.